Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring using AirPlay. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, let me go to TV. In TV, go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. So here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. Let me go to iPhone. In iPhone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Here you can see this iPhone also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. We have to connect both iPhone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. After that, in TV, let me go to App Store or Google Play Store. Then search for AirScreen. See, this is the app AirScreen. Select this app. Select install. Please wait. Okay, installation completed. Let me open AirScreen app. Select AirScreen app icon. Select continue. Grant location permission. Select grant. Confirm that both iPhone and TV both are connected to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Select confirm. I am going to skip this step. This step is not required. Set close icon on top right corner. Select yes. See, now it's initializing. Okay, done. Here you can see AS Chromecast. That is the name of this TV. Go to iPhone. Open Control Center. From top right corner, swipe down. This is a control center. Tap on the screen mirroring icon. Here you can see AS Chromecast. This name. That means this iPhone has detected this TV. Tap on this AS Chromecast AirPlay. Please wait. Okay, done. See, now screen mirroring is working. So this way we can do screen mirroring using AirPlay. Next I will show you how we can switch display to full screen. Let me open this Safari web browser. We can also use YouTube. Let me switch this iPhone display to landscape mode. See, so this way we can switch display to full screen in TV. So next I will show you how we can stop this screen mirroring. Again go to Control Center. From top right corner swipe down. Tap on the screen mirroring icon. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. So this way we can do screen mirroring using AirPlay. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.